Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Season greetings to you all. So this video is a quick one. Is a subscriber's request. She wanted to know how to know the accurate cup size for your corset. So first of all, I'm going to start by telling you the sizes of cups we have in the market. So we have from 32 to 42. I think so, yeah. I've not seen any cup size of 44. Okay, so it's 2 inches bigger than each other. So after 32 you'll be having 34, 36, 38, 40, and then 42 is the biggest size I've ever seen. I don't know if there is 44 anywhere. Okay, so but the ones I've seen is 42. That is the biggest size. Okay, so if you're making a corset, okay, if you're making a corset, we are in Africa. Okay, so we always want our bust to be covered so that you can wear it to church, or you can wear it freely without being shy or anything about for your bust being exposed or something. Okay, so if you're making a corset and your client's bust circumference is 32, use the bra cup of 34 or 36 for her. Okay, don't go and buy exactly 32 for that client. If your client's bust circumference, what I mean by circumference is your round bust, your client's round bust is 34, please buy 36 or 38 for your client. This will enable the bust area to be properly covered, as in modesty. So but if you're making for a client who wants her butts to be exposed, like all these celebrities that always want to show off some part of their cleavage, you can use their exact size or even 2 inches smaller than their size. So if the client wants her bust to be exposed, maybe she's bust 34, you can use the same exact 34 or 32 for her. Okay, so that is what I want to tell you guys about this. So as you can see, I have a bra cup here. This is 40, size 40. My bust circumference is 38, but I'm using 40 for myself. Okay, so that is what you would do when it comes to bra cup. And you may ask, what of a client that don't have, that the bust is 44, okay, or 42? What you do is, we have our corset bra cup pattern. Okay, that bra cup shape you cut out on your corset when you are drafting your corset, you will use this to create a bra cup for them, so they don't have to use exactly this. So you can use this to make a custom made bra cup for that client. Okay, I hope this video is understandable and explanatory enough. If you have any question, you can still ask me on the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this subscriber that asked for this video sees it, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. I love you guys. Bye.